Hello everyone. Now I haven't uploaded to my YouTube in a long time, but today we are going to be building the Walmart exclusive Lego set 60395, the Combo Race Pack. It has 362 pieces, and like I said before, it's a Walmart exclusive. Comes with 3 cars, or well, actually 2 cars plus a boat. Now, I haven't uploaded to Instagram or YouTube or TikTok in a while. At least in terms of reels and videos. So today I thought I'd take this opportunity to do a little building on video. Alright, so we've got the first bag. And we've got... Nope. We've got the first bag and the first instruction manual. And this looks like a pretty decent car. I think this build is going to be pretty interesting. So, stick around, have some fun, and enjoy this, depending on what I decide. Either this video is going to be one whole video or a 3-parter or a 2-parter. That depends on what you want. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so opening. Without further ado, here's the first instruction manual. I'm just gonna cover this. Alright. So we have our first racer minifigure. He is gonna be driving the red car. You can either give him this hairpiece, or you can give him this helmet with the special visor. And for those of you watching the video, I forgot to mention Happy New Year's to everyone watching. This is my first video of 2024. So we've got the visor, we've got the helmet, and we're just gonna... It's a little tough to get on there, but just one click, and it's on. Now it's up to you as to whether or not you want to use the hairpiece here or the helmet. Me personally, I'm just gonna go with the helmet. Here is the base of the car, and let's start building. So we've got steps 2 and 3 done. Step 1 was just getting out the base of the car. Now what we do here is we put in the steering wheel, and the driver's seat. A little hard to get in there, but it'll do. That completes step 4. Steps 5 and 6, you're just going to put these around the front and around the back wheels of the car. So we're going to be putting all 4 of these bricks around the back of the car. And that gets step 5 and 6 done. Now we lock it in place with this brick. And we get dark gray, and then we have a dark gray brick. And then we put this special bar piece here. Or, well, it's supposed to be a special clip piece. And that is for the special feature of this set, which is that, although I wouldn't recommend it personally, you can switch around some of the pieces of the cars to create new ones. Or, well, not new ones, but to create different variations of them. Although I think it's... Although I wouldn't recommend it because it just creates more of a mismatch than anything. But it is a pretty cool feature. And it's an engaging, imaginative feature as well. That completes steps 8 and 9. Step 10. And then step 11, we put more of these gray bricks around. We put 2 bricks together here, and we place it here at the front. And it's a regular 4x4 white brick that goes under a gray brick with 1 clip. We have another one of these clip pieces. And the car is starting to take shape. We get a few more of these triangle-shaped pieces to give the wheel room to move. Put a few more of these clip pieces on the sides. And then just to enclose the driver's area, you put these gray bricks with this little space area for the driver to have arm room. that completes steps 13, 14, and 15, I'm pretty sure. Steps 1 through 12 have practically been done at this point. Alright, we top, now we start on the red layer, and we build from there. Alright, steps 16 through 18 are done. Now time for these little vent pieces to go on the side. Either vent or exhaust. And then we get a bunch of these bricks. And we put them along as so. Oh, and we almost forgot the grill piece. Back. Now we have the two back arches for this car. And they're gonna go right here and right here. Now here we've got steps. Now everything up to step 22 has mostly been completed. We've now got a few more. We've still got more red pieces to place, so some red pieces here. Some red pieces here and here. I must admit, I'm really liking how this car's going. Maybe I'm just biased because red is one of my favorite colors, though. Back we've got we had a few 1x2s or 2x1s bricks onto the back, and we're mostly starting to get the back finished. Now all that's left to do is the front, mostly. have this little ornament at the back here. Well, not an ornament, but we've got this arch piece here at the back for detail. And now we get to the front. Here we have our front window, which gets placed here. And the 2 gray bricks. And that completes steps 25 through 27. Now, we put more of the wheel arches at the front. Oh wait, now I remember what they're called. They're called fenders. So we've got the front fenders placed. Put a bit more. We finished the red layer at the top of this car. And then we put our smooth 1x4 bricks at the front. We put the special 1x4 bricks to smoothen out the front. And then we have the front engine part. I think this is supposed to be a little bit of an exposed motor or something like that for detail. Oh, and we can't forget the grille at the front. And there. Car is mostly finished. From here, it's just the wheels on this side and on the front and back. Wheels in front, back. And then the tires go over the rim. And then the tires cover the rims. And it's mostly finished. Just gonna do the attachments. So everything up to step 34 is completed. Now we just gotta go through steps 34 through 37. So we start off here. Steps 38 through 39, that should be easy. piece at the top, and then we've gotten through steps 38 through 41. And now for the clear lights. Now this looks pretty cool. Or in some people's dictionary, swag. Now, depending if you think it's cool, pog, or swag, whatever you think, no one can deny that this is quite a detail. And haven't really seen this type of technique done on other LEGO cars before. We include the grille here. The front plating. The top. The center stripe. And this is what the clip on the car is meant to do. So it should snap in like that. And there. The front of the car has been completed. Now on to the back part, which should be pretty easy. We've only got a handful of pieces left. So we start by we do the same thing as previously, except it appears these clips are color-coded as a way to distinguish them from the front and back attachments from each other. So that's steps 45 through 48. Steps 49 through 52. Bricks here, bricks there. Red bar on top. And then spoiler at the end. Not literal. Not like a literal movie or book spoiler, but spoiler for the car is put at the end. And now put in the grill and the exhaust. Oh. And here's the missing grill piece. And with that, our car is complete, the first one. So I'm just going to have you take a look at that from above, a look from the back, a look from the side, and a look at the front. And you rate this car. Personally, for me, I'd say a 9 out of 10. Strong design, strong finish. And a strong start in terms of building from the beginning to the end. Anyways, that is all for part 1 of this building video. I'll see you in the next one.